Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So as you know, we were on chapter number 8, Money Transaction. Today, we will continue our chapter with another new topic, that is profit and loss. So please grab your textbook, activity books and your notebook. Very good. Previously, we learned how to calculate cost from rates. And we learned it in 5 different ways: monthly rate, weekly rate, daily rate, hourly rate and per minute rate. Okay, remember we find the cost of different things monthly, weekly, daily, hourly and per minute. Remember? Yes, excellent. For the new topic, profit and loss, open your textbook, page number 77. Today we will learn what is a profit and what is a loss. For example, a piece of meat costs $1.50. So, if you will sell it in $2, then you will be in profit. Means you are making more money. But if the same piece you will sell at $1, means you are in loss, or you are making less money and you are having loss. Okay, now I will tell you a simple formula which you can keep in your mind so that every time you can easily calculate about profit and loss. Yes students, so profit means making more money and loss means you are giving money by your pocket. Okay, profit. What is profit? In profit is equal to selling price minus original price. Means in this selling price will be higher than the original price. So you sell a chocolate at Real 2. Okay, you are selling a chocolate of Real 2. In 2 Real you are selling and the original price of that chocolate is 1 Real. Okay, so 2 minus 1, 1. So, means you are in profit and you are making money. You had a chocolate of that cost was 1 Real, okay? But you sell it in 2 Real. So, you make another extra money? Yes. So, it means you are in profit. So, for a profit to make, the selling price will be higher than the original price. Okay, the selling price will be always greater than the original price. Now, look at the loss. What is loss? In loss, original price minus selling price. You know that whenever you are going to minus something, the first one digit will be higher. So, if here original price is higher than the selling price, means you are in loss. For a loss, the original price is always greater than the selling price. So, if the same chocolate which cost 1 Real, you give it in half Real, so what happened? Yes, you are in loss. You give chocolate also and you get only half Real. You gave 1 Real's chocolate and you got half Real, means you are in loss. Yes students, please open your notebooks also along with your activity book. Activity book page number 62, because I think you need more space to copy down this question. And in activity book, you will not be able to finish it properly and neatly. So chapter 8, Money Transactions, activity book page number 62, what we are doing? Yes, we are learning how to calculate profit and loss. So question number 1 is, a furniture shop sells tables. So keep it in mind that there is a furniture shop who used to sell tables. What they used to sell? Tables. Okay. And what is the cost at which they are selling the tables? Yes, $412. This is the cost at which they are selling the tables. But what is the original price of tables? Yes, the originally the table cost to them is $325, but they are selling it at $412 each. Means one table cost $325 to them, but they are selling it at $412. Okay, there is a difference in the amount. The cost is $325, but they are selling it at $412. So what we have to do? We have to calculate. What we have to calculate? The profit made if the shop sells how many tables? 2 tables. Okay, means shop is going to sell 2 tables. So how much profit they are going to make? So as we know, the original price of one table was $325. Remember? So what we will do? We will simply write original price of one table is $325. Now we know that in the question we read that they are going to sell 2 tables. So first of all, we will take out the original price of 2 tables. Okay. So the same thing that with this amount we are going to multiply by number of tables are 2. So we are going to multiply by 2. Okay. So means $325 multiplied by 2, simple. That is $650. So the original price of 2 tables are $650. Now what we have to calculate? Yes, we will calculate the selling price of one table, and that we know it was selling price of one table was $412. Okay, so now we will see selling price of 2 tables. How? Simply same rule. We will multiply by it with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the selling price we get is $824. See this? Original price of the table, then the original price of 2 tables, and total amount was $650, in which these 2 tables cost them $650. Okay, then each table sell in $412. Then what will be the selling price of 2 tables? Simply we multiply $412 into 2 and we get the selling price of 2 tables. Now we will calculate how can we calculate the profit. Remember I told you one formula. Excellent. Yes, profit is equal to selling price minus original price. Remember, so we will put the formula here. So students, as I told you, the formula to calculate profit, okay, we will simply put the formula here as I wrote here. Selling price minus original price. Selling price minus original price. Now you remember what was the selling price of 2 tables? Remember we calculate? Yes, $824. So we will simply put it here under selling price, as our selling price is $824. Now you remember the original cost of the 2 tables? Yes, the original cost of the 2 tables were $650. So we will simply put them here in the original price $650. And now we will subtract the original price from the selling price. Okay, very easy. So we will, when subtract it, it becomes $174. Very easy. Okay, you just need to do one thing. As I told you, you have to take care of the place values every time. See, 1 should come under ones, like 4 minus 0, it will be 4. Now tens should come under tens, it's 2 minus 5. I cannot do that, so I will borrow, and it becomes 12. It left 7. 12 minus 5 becomes 7. 7 minus 6, 1. See, $174. So it's a profit from selling price, and the difference between a selling price and the original price, that's called a profit. So students, same activity book, page number 62, you are having another question to find out about profit or loss. Arusa bought 5 kg of lamb meat at $8 per kg. She then sold the meat for $6 per kg. Okay, now see. Now you have to see one thing, that she purchased meat at $5 per kg. Okay, $5 per kg. So, and then she sold the meat at $6 per kg. Means, as I told you, you remember, when the selling price is higher, you are going to make profit. But if the selling price is lower, you are going to make loss. Okay, it will be a loss. Here you see, she sold it at $6 per kg. Means 6 is smaller than 8. So from here you clearly knows that here you are going to calculate, that will be a loss. Okay, first of all you will calculate the cost of purchased 5 kg of lamb at the rate of $5, and then you will going to calculate the selling price, which was fixed, and you will find out the selling price first. Then you will put it in the formula and find out what happened. Here, because clearly I showed you, the selling price is lower than the buying price or the original price. So, for sure it is a question of loss. See here, calculate the losses Arusa made. I told you it's a clear example of loss. So now let's see how. So first of all you will write original price of 1 kg meat. Okay, original price of 1 kg meat. Remember what is the price of 1 kg meat? Yes, that is $8 per kg. Yeah, per kg means 1 kg cost $8. So what will be the original price of 5 kg meat? 5 kg, as I told you, with this $8 will be multiplied by 5, and you know 5 8s are or 8 5s are fast. Yes, $40. So the original price of 5 kg meat is $40. Now comes to the selling price of 1 kg. What was the selling price? Yes, $6. $6 was the selling price of 1 kg meat. Now, what will be the total selling price of 5 kg meat? Simple. $6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s. Excellent. 30. So, $30 will be the selling price of 5 kg meat. Now, from here you can compare that the selling price is lower than the purchasing price or the original price or the buying price. So, from here you clearly know that it's a question of loss. Let's see. So, the formula you know, loss is equal to original price minus selling price. Means selling price will be low in this. So, you are going to put the values here. Original price. What is the original price on which she bought the meat of 5 kg? That becomes $40. So, you put it here $40. Then, what is the selling price of 5 kg meat? You know it is $30. You put it here as $30. $40 minus $30 means $10. So, that's the loss she made, $10. That's all. Yes. See, question 3. Basit bought 6 meter of copper wire at $11 per meter. 6 meter per meter price is 11. Okay. So, and simply you can understand the total cost is, but I will not tell you. You will tell me. He later sold it and collected $70. Fine. Whether Basit made a profit or loss. And how much? See, yes. Before you were having a question in which they ask you by themselves, tell us how much profit, and then in the second one they already told you calculate the loss. So you know that here they are going to make a profit and here they are going to make a loss. But here it's a tricky one. You have to find whether he made a profit or a loss. Be fast, tell me how. So, as you know, original price of 1 meter wire is $11. Now you have to find out the original price of 6 meter wire. But you already know that selling price of 6 meter wire is $70. Now let's find out this thing. It will be $11. How much total length of the wire is? 6. So simple. $66. See? $66. The original price he bought the 6 meter wire is $66 and the selling price of 6 meter wire is $70. So since you know that if selling price is greater than the original price, so it will be a profit. Yes, so he made a profit. What you will do now? It was the part A of that question was you have to find out whether he made a profit or a loss. So you can say he made a profit. He did profit. Okay. Now the second part was how much. For that how much you have to calculate it. Selling price minus original price. Yes. So what was the selling price? Remember? Yes, selling price was $70. So you will put the selling price like this. Don't forget to put the dollar sign. As I told you, whenever you are going to do anything in different currencies, you have to put the signs. Okay, now what is the original price? $66. You will simply put $66 and you will calculate 70 minus 66. Yes, $4. So he made a profit of $4. Okay, clear? As you know, because if selling price is higher than the original price, so it will be a profit. And to calculate a profit, selling price minus original price, you put the selling price, you put the original price, and you calculate the profit. That's all. So what you have to keep in your mind to make a profit and a loss, if your selling price is higher than the original price, means you are going to make a profit. But if your original price is greater than the selling price, means you are having a loss. So keep this in mind. Practice your notes as it's attached with this video. Please go through with all the practice and write neatly with the proper margin and chapter name and number. Stay home, stay safe and keep smiling. Don't forget to wash your hands again and again in a proper way. Keep smiling. See you soon. Take care.